here right now to see a very rare animal called the snoring Malayan bear. Crikey, just look at him. At this time of the day, the Malayan snoring bear just sleeps and snores away. Just look at the pose. Look at the tummy. Oh, he has much to eat now. Beautiful creature.